I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Echo Jenny here, and in today's video I'll be bringing to you another hair series. Today we'll be prepping Serene's hair so as to help in detangling the hair easier, and in that way it will help in her hair length retention. So if you want to get a massive hair growth, you need to add a Prepoo to your hair routine, because when you use hot oil to Prepoo the hair, it helps in strengthening the hair, thereby reducing the risk of hair breakage. Here I'm using water before applying the hot oil so as to help in easier detangling of the hair. I have to use my fingers to detangle to reduce the hair from breaking. So I have in here amala oil and black castor oil. I just turned it inside this empty container for easy application. So there are some benefits to prepping your hair with hot oil, and this is because when your hair feels dry and stripped of moisture, hot oil helps to protect and hydrate the hair. It also improves hair strength. Hot oil tends to help to curb dry and itchy scalp. It also minimizes frizz. Another benefit to hot oil or prepping is that it makes detangling of the hair easier. It also increases the sheen of hair. When you apply the hot oil, it helps to bring the hair back to life by adding shine to it. Also, hot oil also reduces split ends because it keeps your hair moisturized. Even though it's not the oil that moisturizes your hair, it helps to coat your hair and provides a protective layer to your hair. Therefore, when you shampoo your hair after applying the hot oil, it helps to keep the hair still moisturized and not dry it out. So those are the benefits of hot oil and prepping. Now I'm going to leave the hair to sit for about an hour to enable the oil penetrate into her hair shaft before I go shampoo the hair, and afterwards I will apply a hair mask to deep condition the hair as well. So guys, I'm done shampooing the hair. I want to use hair mask, Sheer Moisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask on her, because the hair is a bit stripped out of moisture, so I want to get moisture in it. I couldn't find the hair mask for kids, so that's why I'm using the adult one. The most significant reason for applying a hair mask to the hair is so that it hydrates and nourishes your hair, which is the most visible benefit. Natural oils and protein or vitamins are included in these hair masks so that they can penetrate deeply into the hair shaft, thereby helping in repairing or healing damage brought to hair by either heat styling, coloring, or relaxer, or things like pollution and sunlight. So those are the main reasons why hair mask is good for your hair. When you apply the hair mask, there are several nutrients being added together inside those hair masks, like protein, vitamins, and so on and so forth. If you don't want to use ready-made hair masks from the shave or counter, you can also do your own DIY hair masks at home by using things like egg, avocado, banana. Mix all those together and you can make your hair masks from it, by and also adding some essential natural oils to the mixture. Just like our body needs nutrients to aid in development, well, so also does our hair needs nutrients. So when we apply all these hair masks and deep condition the hair, we are treating the hair and allowing the hair to grow properly, give the hair the nutrients it needs to be able to grow well and be strong as well. When your hair is growing and also breaking at the same time, you will not see any changes in your hair. So we also need to protect our hair from breakages, from damage, so that we can see hair growth as well. Yeah, actually have natural coil, so I used Cantu shea butter moisturizing coil activator cream. So this yeah, coil okay. I just want a low tension protective style. I don't want to use rubber band this time because I just used rubber band. I noticed that tension was too much on her scalp. So just leave it like this. Man guys, look at these coils. Talking. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. A wrap for today, and it's late, so time to go sleep. Thank you guys.